When you hear the word probate, you might think of a slow and really expensive nightmare. But a lot of what people think about probate just isn't true. Welcome back to Grounds for Probate, your coffee break chat where we talk probate in plain English. I'm Michelle, probate paralegal over at SJF Law Group, and today we're at Maple and Cream in Plantation. Before diving into today's topic, I just want to remind you to leave a comment or send us a DM if you have any burning probate questions or topics that you can think of that you might want to hear me talk about. Let's tackle some common probate myths. Myth number one, probate always takes years. And the truth being that some small, simple estates can be handled in just a few months, where larger, complex estates can take a little longer, up to a year or sometimes more. And truth being, it honestly depends on the estate and the complexity of the estate. I've seen very few cases where a big probate administration, a formal administration, takes years to complete, and that was due to the complexity. Myth number two, having a will avoids probate. Truth is, a will is important, but only for the probate assets. Think of a will as directing the court what to do with those probate assets and what you want done. Non-probate assets that might include any joint owners on the accounts or beneficiaries on the bank accounts don't pass through probate. They go directly outside of the probate process, is what we like to say. So even with a will, a probate still might be necessary. Myth number three, probate costs too much to be worth it. Truth is, the probates do involve costs such as court fees, attorney fees, and so on. But it's also a legal process that protects the estate, assets, and its beneficiaries. Skipping probate sometimes isn't an option for some estates, but avoiding it can cause bigger issues further down the road. So the key takeaway, probate isn't really scary or impossible. It's just really misunderstood. Understanding all the steps and the processes make it so much easier for families to understand and handle everything with confidence. So the next time someone tells you probate is a nightmare, you can set them straight. It's a legal process designed to help families not make their lives harder. Thanks for joining me on Grounds for Probate. Be sure to follow and subscribe so we can talk next week.